Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Essence. Essence means intrinsic nature or indispensable quality of something that determines its character. For example, conflict is the essence of drama. Conflict is the essence of drama. Synonyms: quintessence, soul, spirit.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exempli. To me, they epitomize the essence of femininity. Now, repeat after me. To me, they epitomize the essence of femininity. The second exempli. Such frivolous distinctions do not constitute the essence of religion. Now, repeat after me. Such frivolous distinctions do not constitute the essence of religion. The third exempli. He had grasped the real essence of working-class power. Now, repeat after me. He had grasped the real essence of working-class power.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
English actually originates from what is now called Northwest Germany and the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.